Hi guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we're not gonna do one Tokyo treat box, we're gonna do 2 Tokyo treat boxes. So I got a Tokyo treat box at the end of June, and then I got another Tokyo treat box about 2 weeks later. I'm not 100% sure if I got 2 June boxes or if my July box actually came early. Usually it takes 4 to 5 weeks for the box to get to me, and I have no idea. So we shall see if they accidentally sent me 2 boxes. I don't even know which one of these I got first. Actually it says on here this one was shipped first because it says this one was shipped in May. So we're gonna open this one first. Maybe they forgot that they sent me the box, or maybe they just like paid expedited shipping and I got it in 2 weeks. That seems kind of crazy to get it all the way from Japan in 2 weeks though. June 2019 box. So I got this probably like June 18th. And this is the premium box. I pay for the premium box because I want the premium snacks, which is usually like Kit Kats or something awesome. And here is the list of everything. I will read it as we go through. Last time I was on a special health kick, so I didn't eat any of it. But today we're gonna eat it. At least we're gonna try it all. The first thing is this little 4-pack here. It looks similar to something I got in the last one, but the last one was like cheddar chips or something like that. This says Ann Panman soft corn 4-pack. These little Ann Panman ring shaped corn snacks are yummy veggie chips. Perfect for a picnic with friends. You've got 4 packs, so there's plenty to go around. Oh my god, I just like dropped them on myself. Okay, be careful when you separate the 4 packs. They're like these little Cheerios. I mean, they're not the best, but they're not the worst. I can't really describe it. It's kind of like what would Pops taste like if they weren't sweet. If that makes any sense. That's what it tastes like. We got 2 boxes to go through, so we're gonna fly through. I think this is a premium one. No, it's not. But crushed Pocky sticks. This is crushed strawberry. We were in cleaning mode. We might not have the same lighting. We might not have the same... I didn't even shake that. I'm sure of it. I think it was already just shook up in my box. It tasted really good though. It does taste like what you would expect melon cream soda to taste like. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not eating this. Because the other 2 that I had tasted like fish. And they don't like the texture, and I'm sorry, YouTube, but I already ate a fish one. This one is tonkatsu flavor. This month's Umaibo is inspired by that delicious tonkatsu sauce when you order deep fried pork cutlets in Japan. No, Japan. The sauce is similar to Worcestershire sauce and is made from a mixture of vegetables. While the sauce is meant for tonkatsu, it's actually vegetarian. No, I'm not eating this. I'm setting it to the side, and another day when I'm brave, I will try it. But I'm done with these things today. Okay, the rest looks... No, this doesn't. What is this? Texas corn okonomiyaki. This soft corn snack is inspired by the Japanese dish okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a popular Japanese dish similar to a pancake, made with a mixture of ingredients like cabbage, egg, meat, cheese, onion, and seafood. Because this could have like shrimp powder in it, I can't eat this. It just says seafood, but like literally I can't eat this. I'm too scared. The ingredients are in Japanese, and I don't know how to spell shrimp in Japanese. And I don't even know what part is the ingredients. because where do they put the ingredients? There's literally Japanese writing like all over this. Here's another one. This one is Umai Sugar Rusk. Don't forget to bring this snack with you to your beach day. This sweet corn snack has a yummy, crispy, crunchy texture and is finished with a sweet, sugary flavor. I'm very full. Even this like just doesn't sound appealing because I'm so full. It's kind of like, it tastes like kettle corn, but it feels like Cheeto Puffs. It feels the texture of Cheeto Puffs, but it tastes like kettle corn. It's pretty good. This Anpan Man wants to join you on your beach day. Obviously the theme on this one is beach day. Bring him along for a yummy and juicy grape snack. What fun little gummies. Oh, this smells like grape medicine. And I can't read if it has ingredients I'm allergic to or not. I know I'm not selling the what box is this? July box, but I honestly think it's because I'm so full. Like I ate before I did this, and then I also made myself a smoothie, and then I thought they're probably the same box, so I'm only gonna eat one, and now we're almost halfway through the second one and I'm just like, I can't eat any more things. I'm not meaning to say everything tastes bad. Actually, that's not true. They really didn't taste good. Those gummies were not good. But moving on to this delicious looking treat. Chocolate mint candy. Mint lovers, you're in for a special treat. Inspired by Hokkaido's chocolate chip mint ice cream, these little hard candies have a chocolatey mint outside and are filled with a chilled powder center. How's it chilled? Isn't chocolate chip mint ice cream the best flavor for a beach day? I would agree to disagree because strawberry or black cherry is the best flavor for always. But let's try it out. It's a hard candy. They're individually wrapped. Trying to get to the center. Interesting. The center was cold. I don't know how they made it cold, but it was cold. That's all I have to say about that. It tastes really good, but that was there is some weird stuff in Japan. Okay, soda soft candy. We love taking a soda to the beach, so that these soda flavored candies are perfect. This the sweet and sour taste leaves you with a refreshing soda taste and a hint of lemon. Yummy. I'm guessing this is that soda we were talking about earlier. Ooh, these are pretty. Not individually wrapped, blue chewing candy. That's good. It's not carbonated like the last one, but it has that same ramune whatever flavor. So good. That's good. I have another build your own ice cream, but I think it requires water. I don't even know if I have water. I guess I have this water cup I can use. These are my directions. Put your powder packet in this container. Stir with water. I don't know how much water because I can't read it. Then scoop it into the cone. Voila. These are the cones. This is my packet. I have a cup of water, but I don't know. Like, if the water has to be hot or cold. I'm going based off of pictures here. This is going to make a lot because it's going to make enough for 3 cones. But I don't know how to, like, save it. Let me grab my water. Let's see. This does not seem like a good idea. I'm on my bed with, oh god. I think that's enough. That's enough water. Oh, I didn't even know I had anything to drink. I I've been eating all these fish flavored things without anything to drink. Oh goodness. This is like bubbling up to build this ice cream. Look at it's growing. So how long do you leave it? It's like building the longer I leave it, so I feel like I should leave it longer. I can't even, can you see this? Can you see it grow? Ooh! That is sour! That tastes like a lemon, straight. I think it's lemon ice cream. Okay, this is what it turned into. It turned into this like foaminess thing. And now I take my cone and I like fill it with this stuff. Again, I don't know if I put enough water or not. And this is my little ice cream cone. I bet that's exactly what the strawberry one I got last time does. It's called Cider, I didn't even read it, did I? Cider Soft Serve DIY Snack. What better way to enjoy the beach than with soft serve? You can create your own soft serve ice cream cone with this DIY snack kit. It tastes like cider soft serve. It tastes like lemon, so I don't know what cider is. And then we have these mini chocolate bat. This is a fun and yummy treat that features 5 mini baseball bat chocolates. Baseball lovers and non-sports fans alike can enjoy this one. I don't understand how they think this is the shape of a baseball or a baseball bat. It's literally just straight. I'll show you. I'm gonna take it out. I thought maybe this one was just like deformed. Like, this is not what a baseball bat looks like the last time I checked, but maybe the inside is. Sorry, Japan. I know you love baseball and all, but that is not what a baseball bat looks like. Choco bat. Okay, this is totally still growing. So, next is this little thing. Sour peach gum. Another gum. Okay, I'm gonna put both the gums at the end. So now I have this sherbet cider. Dip into this delicious powder candy that pops in your mouth. The fizzy sweetness fills your mouth like a fizzy cider. So cider means soda, apparently. Right? Because I don't know. I don't think that. It's a lollipop. So it's kind of like if Pop Rockets were babies. Like, they don't actually pop. They just kind of like are effervescent. Yeah. This is a Pop Rocket before it grows up. Or Pop Rocks. Pop Rocks. It's a Pop Rock before it grows up. Good. Doesn't taste as lemonly as the last cider thing. Peach Mint Kit Kats. This month's Kit Kat are a super exciting and unique flavor. They start off with a deliciously sweet peach flavor and finish with a delightfully minty freshness. These Kit Kats were specifically designed with a mint flavor that appeals to all taste buds. What do you think of them? Are there mint flavors that don't appeal to all taste buds? If you don't like mint, tell me in the comments. Mint is so good. Mint tea, mint chocolate. Oh my god. That's so good. I never knew peach and mint would go this well together. If I had more room, I would finish the other stick. That's how good it was. Both the gums. So we're gonna do the gum we already opened from the first pack that had this like cute little thing and stickers, and I don't remember what flavor this was supposed to be. So Miko Gurashi gum. It doesn't have a flavor listed, unless that is the flavor, but I think that's the characters. Now this gum is sour peach gum. These peachy gumballs are the perfect combo of sweet and sour. Hold on to your taste buds, you're in for a sour treat. I like love whoever writes these too. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Censored. And try this one. I was only supposed to put 2 tablespoons of water in the ice cream. I put too much water. The gum is not that sour. Alright. That's my Tokyo treat box. I'm so full. I'm sorry that I didn't eat the tonkatsu chip. Like spiral tonkatsu chip. Or the shrimp. If something says seafood, unless it specifically says what type of seafood, I'm probably not going to eat it. If anybody wants those things and wants to try them, whether that's for their YouTube channel or whatever, I will collect up the things I can't eat and ship them out to you. Just email me. You can have them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!